Hey, it's Adam from s2000 Electronics, and today we're going to talk about our rear speaker adapter for an S2000 from year 2000 to 2009. This guy will fit in the roll bar area. I want to do a cross section. This is kind of like the build process. It's got a super thick wall for the actual speaker to mount to. The reason that's important is the low frequencies that happen in this thing, we don't want it to rattle the actual roll bar itself. So the speaker sits in there, and as you can see, it has a healthy size enclosure. So that allows the speaker to play from 20,000 hertz to about 60 hertz, right? Listen, I know we're not gonna be listening to subwoofers in the back, but the way these things work are gonna help get some of that lower frequencies from the front of the car to the middle of the car by having some low frequency information right near where you're listening. So I'm gonna show you quickly how they install. All of these speakers, we recommend the Audio Frog GS42. This is what we sell this kit with. You can see there, it's a coaxially mounted speaker that fits perfectly in our kits, like so. Now, it fits like this because it was designed for that. The airspace inside the actual cavity is correct. Everything works correct for this enclosure, this speaker and this enclosure, right? So this is basically how they install. They slide into this area here. Look at that. This gets vinyl wrapped. And then you'll have the speaker opening on the front. Next, you will install the speaker like so, and you will actually install the grill like so. So this is kind of the final product. The seat goes back, you can't see any of it. When the top's down, it doesn't look out of place. It looks good. Now, there's a couple different things that we need to talk about during the installation of these guys, okay? First of all, you can see there's no damage to the actual car itself. This thing will come in and out. You could sell them after you're done to another S2000 owner, and get your money back, because there's not gonna be a lot of it. The way they install, there's two different kind of things that we have kind of built into these guys for you guys to have them installed very easily. So this is our version 1 of these. We've sold quite a few of these, not a lot because we didn't really go ham about showing them off. But version 1, you can see there's a little dimple there. What that dimple is, coincides with the actual roll bar hoop itself. Can you get me the roll bar hoop that's over on the thing? Same thing on the bottom. Both of those guys coincide with the lines that come on this guy, right? Now, we all know that taking these apart is a fucking nightmare, but we got you covered on that too. The new version will have these cutouts here, as you can see, like this, okay? So when you slide this in, you can actually run the speaker. Actually, I lie to you. It will have a channel that run all the way back. So you can run the speaker wire in and run it back down this way to the back. So it'll come this way and you'll have a speaker wire going down. It's up to you which way you want to do it, right? But this provision here allows you to drill this out, and then you can drill right where the actual line is on the actual roll bar. So we have it on the top, so you can run it from the top, run it down. You will never see it. So if you ever got rid of the car, you would never see the actual indentation. Or you can run, like I said, I have it in my own S2000, run kind of down here because I don't want to cut any holes. But there are people that don't like that. So just as an example, when you install this, you'll see the line will line up right to our hole there. So a lot of engineer. Did you watch the video or not? What? Anyway. So that's our kit. These kits are available for $299 for left and right. Empty, if you want the Audio Frog speakers, they're empty with the grill for $299. If you want a speaker with it, it depends on what speaker. If you're getting the GS42, it's about $650. So, all right, guys, thanks so much. Oh, that does not include shipping. So,
$25.
Does it include you?
Goodbye.